Garden beds. Let's talk about them for a minute. Something nice, right? This is what my beds look like all winter long in the spring. They're covered in leaves, all sorts of natural things. Also, everything that died off in the fall gets mixed into the dirt. Why? Because it turns into natural compost, and that helps feed your soil, all the microbes in your soil, all winter long. And that's super important to build good soil. Every once in a while the chickens come in and mix things up for me. They're good like that. So also, keeping this nice layer of leaves and other things, like I have chicken manure mixed in there too. It kind of helps keep the soil fluffy underneath. So the rain and snow, every time it rains and snows on it, doesn't pack it down. And it's very important, because then that makes your job in the spring that much easier, right? Gardening does not have to be hard. It does not have to be back-breaking work. It can be easy. That kale's still hanging on. That's a year, actually that's over a year old. Kale's a year and a half old. Pretty cool. So, the garlic is coming up. It's okay. If your garden doesn't look like neat dirt all year round, it's supposed to be messy. That's what makes it natural. That's what makes it real. That's what makes your soil work. You gotta feed it, take care of it, and then you will get amazing food in return.